Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Diar Mokti Asri. Today, I want to talk about one of the most important social issues in our modern world is mental health. In recent years, we have seen a significant rise in mental health issues, especially among young people. Problems like anxiety, stress, depression, and even burnout are becoming more common. I believe this is a serious problem that deserves a more attention from society. So, why is this happening? In my opinion, there are many factors that contribute to his situation. First, the pressure to succeed in school or at work is higher than ever. People are expected to always perform well, look perfect, and act happy, even when they are struggling inside. Second, social media plays a big role. It can be a good way to connect with others, but same, at the same time, it can make people feel insecure and lonely. When we see others' perfect lives on Instagram or TikTok, we often compare ourselves and feel like we are not good enough. Now, let's talk about the negative impact of this issue. When mental health is not taken seriously, it can lead to very dangerous consequences. Many people who suffer in silence may lose motivation in life, isolate themselves, or even hurt themselves. It also affect relationships, work productivity, and general happiness. In the worst cases, it can lead to suicide. I think mental health should be treated just like physical health. If someone has a fever, they go to the doctor. The same should happen when someone feels mentally unwell. We need more education about mental health in schools and communities. We need to stop the stigma and let people speak up about what they feel without fear of being judged. We can start by being kind to one another. Sometimes a simple "How are you?" can mean a lot. We also need to encourage open discussion and provide support systems such as counseling services at school or in the workplace. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic about speaking practice with free discussion in the class. In my opinion, it is a good way to improve our English. When we speak freely, we can learn to say our ideas, share opinions, and listen to others. Free discussion also makes us more confident. At first, I was nervous to speak in front of my friends, but now I feel a little better because I get more practice. I learn from my mistakes and I also learn new words from my friends. Another good thing is we can talk about topics that are interesting. It's more fun than just reading or memorizing. We can laugh, we can ask questions, and we feel more relaxed. But sometimes it's also difficult. Some students feel shy or don't know what to say. That's okay. We need to help each other and give support. The lecture can also help us by giving simple questions or guiding the discussion. So, in my opinion, free discussion is very useful. It helps us speak better and feel more brave. I hope we can do more speaking practice like this in class. Okay, that's all I can say. I hope what I say can be useful for everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.